Hey guys, the mighty beast Nissan Patrol 2005 to 2010. These are the original headlights straight from Japan. These are direct fit, plug and play. This you just fit in your car, and actually they are going to perform very well. They are very original. They do not come with bulbs, but the material used is Japanese standard quality. So this one you see, they are just easy to install. This is a lever adjuster there, and remember this one has the full beam and low beam are the same bulb here, but bulb is not included. This is also another connector. So both of them are available, the two of them, both right and left hand side. They are both available, and I think hii nimeiweka combo. So kuja na 36K nafaa kukaaje hii nayo. Haya, nitaziweka vizuri. Kuja na 36K and I'll give you the two of them. So we are located in Kitengela, but we do deliveries country wide. Deliveries are done country wide.